All right, first thing that I would do is I would duplicate the page. It'll be easier when you're copying and pasting the dates. And once you have 2 pages up, then you can go to the page that has all of the dates on it. And then you'll just select the number of days and the day of the week and copy and paste that to each page. So, right, that's Tuesday, here's Thursday. I'm going to copy and paste that for 31 days for January. And on the first page, it will be in the exact spot that you need it to, and then you'll paste it to the second page for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then you'll have to scoot it over. And if you push Shift as you're doing the arrow keys, it will move it a little bit quicker for you. And you can also change out this little tab with any of the side portion, the notes section, with any of the other options that are provided there. You just need to drag and drop it in that spot. And then you'll do the same thing for all of the other months. So for February, we'll go to 28 days and then click on the next day of the week and copy and paste it. And copy and paste it again to the second page and scoot it over to the left, line it up in those little boxes. It's a little time consuming, but it goes pretty quick with the clip art. I try to make it be as seamless and as quick as possible, so you'll just do that for each of the months. All right, now I'm going to show you how you can change out the little mini calendar. And you'll need to, I would recommend duplicating it again if you don't already have it duplicated, and then scrolling on one of the documents to the page that has all of the mini calendars, and then the one that you're going to be copying and pasting it to in the other tab. So here's the mini calendars, and you'll just find the day of the week and the number of days for that month, and then you can copy and paste it to the calendar. So this is for Thursday for 31 days, and I'll paste it here. And you will need to adjust the size just slightly for these ones. Or you can keep it to be a little bit smaller if you don't want to take that extra time to make it be a little bit bigger. It does still fit in there nice. Or you can drag it to be a little bit bigger to fill that space. And you'll do the same thing for the rest of the months for this as well. I'll show you how to do February. Same concept. And you'll do the same thing for these little sticky notes. You can either leave these blank and just make notes for each of the months, or you can copy and paste the calendar to that page. And these are actually fit to size those sticky notes perfectly to make it go a little bit faster for you. So you'll just paste those right in and then drag it to the month. So I copied and pasted January and February at the same time to go a little bit quicker. And then just drag and drop them. And you can just type in the dates here if you need to adjust them for the batch lesson planning. And here you just need to change out the year. There's an editable option, or you can drag and drop the one to keep the same font. So you'll just drag and drop it over there. And you can use the arrow keys to get it in the exact location. And this is on a couple of pages, so you can actually just duplicate it if you'd like. So instead of dragging and dropping this one here, you can go back to the other page and copy and paste it if you're using both. And same thing with this last page, you can either edit it or you can drag and drop the correct year over it.